Is it time to buy or sell IREN Energy stock? In this video, we are diving deep into IREN Energy. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of May, 2025, our system has ranked IREN Energy as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 255.69% since we first recommended purchasing IREN Energy 77 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.32% per day since it was listed as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we are unable to predict the direction of the stock, as it could move in either direction. The stock is currently positioned in the upper range of a wide and strong upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an attractive selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $23.65 would signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 113.15% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 71.85% to 118.01%. Looking further ahead, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 44.94%. Based on our calculations, the performance of the stock could fluctuate between negative 52.14% and 23.75% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $11.07 and $28.61. Our latest daily update for IREN Energy includes the headline, High Volatility in IREN Energy Limited Stock Price on Monday, which ended trading at $23.12. The IREN Energy Limited stock price gained 7.89% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of August, 2025, rising from $21.43 to $23.12. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 12.72% with a day low of $20.74 and a day high of $23.38. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 28.66% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day before, resulting in 30 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $701,660,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $23.38, while the lowest price was $5.13. Currently, the price is 1.11% or 26 cents below the 52-week high and 18.16% or $5.13 below the all-time high on the 17th of November, 2021, when the price reached $28.25. IREN has announced the acquisition of an additional 4,200 NVIDIA Blackwell B200 GPUs, effectively doubling its fleet to approximately 8,500 GPUs. Furthermore, the company has secured financing amounting to $102 million related to previous Blackwell purchases. IREN also highlighted an upcoming fiscal year 2025 results release scheduled for August 28 and released its July monthly update earlier this month. In the short term, this GPU order and the confirmed financing serve as constructive catalysts. They not only mitigate execution risk regarding IREN's AI cloud expansion, but also enhance revenue visibility from GPU capacity sales. This could potentially uplift market sentiment leading into earnings. However, the financing and rapid build-out introduce near-term execution and margin risks. Increased interest or lease obligations, along with any slow ramp-up or low utilization, could pressure profitability. Looking further ahead, a scaled Blackwell fleet, combined with IREN's low-cost power and cash flow derived from Bitcoin, can facilitate a transition to higher-margin, recurring AI infrastructure revenue. This would improve valuation, provided that utilization and pricing remain stable. Nonetheless, key long-term risks persist, including competitive pressure, the sustainability of demand for large-scale GPU services, and the need for balance sheet discipline. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned IREN a buy grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Macquarie assigned IREN an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also assigned IREN a buy grade with a hold action. On Sunday, the 9th of February, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned IREN an overweight grade with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley gave IREN a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned IREN Energy stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for IREN Energy. IREN Energy Limited stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of price corrections, support is expected at levels of $20.43 and $18. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by over 50%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has also emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 61 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for IREN Energy. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $18.59 and $18.15. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, IREN Energy Limited finds support just below today's level at $18.59. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $18.15 and $18.14. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.64 between its high and low, or 12.72%. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 12.13%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for IREN Energy, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 17 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for IREN Energy. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and use volume as a guide for your exit strategy. On the downside, IREN Energy encounters its first support level at $18.59. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for IREN Energy from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of July, 2025, Gazowski Christopher conducted an insider purchase of 39,168 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July, 2025, Roberts William Gregory conducted an insider purchase of 1,793,392 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July, 2025, Bartholomew David James conducted an insider purchase of 48,960 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July, 2025, Roberts Daniel John conducted an insider purchase of 1,793,392 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July, 2025, Parasuraman Sunita conducted an insider purchase of 39,168 shares of ordinary shares. Based on the 25 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 92.539. In total, insiders purchased 10,733,554 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 25 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.32, reflecting a decrease of 3.48%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, leading to a heightened level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, stands at 76, which further amplifies this risk. Notably, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 16 days ago. Is IREN Energy stock a good buy? IREN Energy Limited holds several positive signals. However, we still do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of August, we expect IREN Energy to open lower by 706 cents and start trading at $22.41. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.